In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable outline that helps readers jump straight to the sections they care about. We'll structure your page, add the built-in table of contents block, and then customize how it looks and where it lives on your page. First, let's set up your page so the table of contents has something to work with. Notion builds the table from heading blocks. So make sure your document is broken into clear sections using heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3. You can add these by typing /, then heading 1, heading 2, or heading 3, and applying them to your section titles. If you already wrote your content, just highlight a title and switch its style to a heading. No need to retype anything. A quick tip. Keep headings short and descriptive so the table stays readable, and try to use a consistent hierarchy. Heading 1 is great for major sections, heading 2 for subsections, and heading 3 for finer details. If your table looks empty later, it's almost always because the text isn't set as a heading. Next, let's insert the table of contents. Click into an empty block where you want the outline to appear and type /table of contents. Then press enter. Notion instantly scans your page and generates a list of all the headings, nested by level. Prefer to use the menu? Hover over a new line, click the plus icon, and choose Table of Contents. The best part is that it updates automatically. Anytime you add, remove, or rename a heading, the table refreshes to match. No manual editing required. If you're drafting, you can place the table early as a guide and watch it grow as you write. Finally, customize and position your table so it complements your layout. Hover over the table of contents. Block and click the 6-dot icon to grab it and drag it anywhere. Top of the page, a sidebar column, or just above a major section. Right-click or open the block menu to adjust text color or add a highlight background. Subtle colors work well for contrast without stealing attention. If your page has a strong color scheme or dark mode, pick styles that keep links easy to read. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.